Welcome to the demonstration of NetScore's WooCommerce connector for NetSuite. The NetScore WooCommerce connector is built native to the NetSuite platform and is designed to connect WooCommerce web store to your NetSuite ERP system. Utilizing the NetScore WooCommerce connector, sellers can focus on increasing sales and managing orders without the need to manually sync WooCommerce web store with their NetSuite backend system. Some key features of the connector include automatic synchronizing item listings, inventory levels, orders and customers. The first step is to install the WooCommerce connector shared bundle, which will add a WooCommerce tab to your NetSuite navigation screen. By clicking on WooCommerce Setup, the user will see the available web store setups. Hover to configure setup. Then click on NetScore WooCommerce Web Store. Here the user will enter the primary information regarding their account, WooCommerce Web Store credentials, item and order information. The shipping tool allows shipping methods for your WooCommerce store to be mapped to NetSuite shipping methods. Upon completion of the setup, the connector will be ready to manage communications with your WooCommerce web store. Let's look at how a new item is created in NetSuite and exported to WooCommerce. Navigate to the item setup and click the New button. We will be creating a standard inventory item for this example. The user will need to fill in the required fields such as the item name, WooCommerce product name, short description, status, type, product category, stock management and other product attributes. We are considering item name/number field for WooCommerce product SKU. Let's search on WooCommerce for the SKU code prior to listing it from NetSuite. The product is not listed on WooCommerce. To list the item on WooCommerce, simply check the Export to WooCommerce checkbox. The system will now pass the item information through the connector to the WooCommerce web store. Once the item is successfully exported, the WooCommerce item ID field will automatically be populated by the connector from information from the web store. Let's search again for the SKU code on WooCommerce. The item is now listed on WooCommerce with item information, inventory and price details. Now let's watch as an order is imported from WooCommerce to NetSuite. The order will be created by the WooCommerce customer with the following details. A unique order identifier is provided with accompanying order details such as billing details, shipping details, email ID, the order status and item information. When NetScore's WooCommerce connector initiates the order process, it imports the orders into NetSuite. Let's search for the order in the global search window. The system is able to identify the internal sales order number created from the WooCommerce order. The order was imported into NetSuite with WooCommerce order ID. And a customer record is created with email ID. The order contains the items with their quantity, sale rate and other info. This includes the ship to and bill to information on the order. By clicking on the WooCommerce tab, you will be able to see the original WooCommerce order identifier, which also acts as a direct link to WooCommerce order page, and the subtab also contains the order status at the time of import. Let's create a fulfillment record so we can see the order status as it is updated in WooCommerce. We save the fulfillment record and the status of the order changes to shipped. The system will now pass the information to the WooCommerce web store to update the order status. As we return to web store, we can see the status of the order has changed to completed. Now that we have completed the transaction, let's see how NetSuite can help you make informed decisions regarding your WooCommerce business. The NetScore WooCommerce connector bundle installs a dashboard, providing you with real-time information about orders pending fulfillment, error records and sales orders created today. It provides key performance indicators, such as your top-selling items on WooCommerce. Added reports include low inventory, order reports based on time periods and top 20 purchasing customers. The connector provides an efficient method of handling order record errors between WooCommerce and NetSuite, so that no sales orders are missed. Error records are created in NetSuite to allow for transactions to be corrected and reprocessed. Let's review a record. The error record identifies the specific transaction that failed with complete details. The transaction can be edited and reprocessed into NetSuite.